Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Proud to be here tonight to present the next awardee, Freedom First. According to 2013 census data, the average family income in Roanoke is about 10% below the average in Virginia, and the number of households on food stamps has increased by more than 50% in the past 5 years. We all know how important it is to have a stable job, especially in an unstable economy. Education and job training helps individuals and families defy statistics, establish a firm financial foundation. I first heard of Freedom First 2 years ago at a job fair where they were providing transportation for the jobless. They have become an integral part of CDS tractor-trailer training. On any given day, you can walk into a classroom of ours and see a member of the Freedom First team giving financial literacy classes and talking to students one-on-one. This personal connection makes all the difference in the world for the students. Freedom First goes above and beyond banking when it comes to the Roanoke community, from giving out free ice cream to neighborhood kids to running the farmers market alongside one of their branches. They fully embody their mission, banking for good. It has been an honor to work with Freedom First to bring hope to our students at CDS, Tractor Trailer Training. And now, let's bring our attention to the screens, please.
Freedom First was chartered in 1956 as Roanoke GE Federal Credit Union in Salem, Virginia. It was started by 7 GE members who pooled together $40. And in about 2000, we made a corporate decision to pull in our service area to the Roanoke metropolitan statistical area. Anyone that lives, worships, goes to school, owns a business in the Roanoke MSA and the adjoining Montgomery County can be a member of Freedom First. The Freedom First mission is helping people prosper and helping communities thrive. The tagline at Freedom First is, where people bank for good.
Well, I think one of our greatest assets is our collaboration that we have with our nonprofit partners and different community leaders to addressing the needs that they have within their own organizations. They often have great products or services that they offer, but oftentimes you need a financial institution in there that's addressing maybe the financial piece of it.
We came up with our workforce loan like we do a lot of other programs, and that is we're out in the community. Community engagement makes you aware. If you're listening, then there are opportunities to partner and develop programs.
The trucking industry, it provides a good solid income. With our program, it's a non-credit program. Therefore, there's no traditional financial aid available. Working with Freedom First and their workforce development program, it benefits the student and allows them the opportunity to attend the program.
If I didn't get a loan from Freedom First, I wouldn't have been able to enroll in this program.
Every student that goes through here does sit through the Freedom First educational seminar. It is an hour long, and they have tailored this to our students.
The financial education class from Freedom First helped me develop better saving habits.
What Freedom First Credit Union is known for is the kind of counseling that they provide to people who come for loans.
This award will allow us to expand this workforce development project into other industries, whether we are working with our community development department of the local community college, or we're working with our local healthcare systems.
So the next award it's just terrific. We're very thankful to OFN and the partners for recognizing the work that we do here. And we're really encouraged with what we're going to be able to do with the award and helping people get the certifications that they need to get gainful employment and become self-sufficient.
We've seen students go from coming in here with literally everything they own on their back. 4 weeks later, he's now in a truck, and we've also provided him, obviously, with a living wage. One thing a particular veteran said to me that has stuck with me from day one is, I'm now driving and seeing the country that I fought so many years to protect.
At this time, I'd like to introduce Paul Phillips, President and CEO of Freedom First Federal Credit Union.
Thank you. First, let me thank Wells Fargo, Prudential, the MacArthur Foundation, the Kresge Foundation, and OFN for making these awards possible. With your support, Freedom First can continue to further our mission of helping our members prosper and helping our communities thrive. I also want to congratulate the other winners, Sunrise Banks and Lower East Side People's Federal Credit Union, as well as those recipients of the Next Seed Capital Awards. May we all continue to work together and inspire each other to extend opportunities to those who need it most. On behalf of Freedom First and our partners CDS and Virginia Western Community College, I am honored to receive this Wells Fargo Next Opportunity Award, which will help us grow and expand our successful workforce development microloan program. I also want to recognize Dave Prosser, Senior Vice President of Community Development, and his entire community development team at Freedom First. They continue to do a fabulous job, and I'd like to pause and indulge. If you'd indulge me for just a minute, I'd like you all to give them a big hand. Thank you. Thank you, Dave. Freedom First is a not-for-profit credit union and the largest CDFI in southwestern Virginia. Over 65% of our members are low to moderate income. Members must work, live, worship, go to school, or support a nonprofit in one of 5 counties and 4 cities within or near the Roanoke metropolitan area. Roanoke is the largest urban area in the 2,266 square miles of our service area. The rest is rural, set in the valleys and mountains of Appalachia and the Blue Ridge. With a focus on the low to moderate income population, Freedom First developed a suite of asset building products to provide financial education services and to repair or establish credit. We observed that microloans of $3,000 or less consistently allowed people to escape the high interest rate predatory lending cycle, repair and improve their credit, and work toward financial security. With increased education or job skills, income also increases. The traditional route of attending a college or university is financially beyond the reach of many in our service area, and those who finance their college education are burdened with debt. However, not all jobs require bachelor's degrees or higher. Some industries only require licensure or certification. The required training classes for these programs cost significantly less, in the range of $2,000 to $5,000. Most traditional financial institutions avoid lending such small amounts because the return on investment is minimal. Therefore, people may resort to high-interest predatory lenders or not pursue the training at all. In 2013, Freedom First developed a partnership with Virginia Western Community College and CDS Tractor Trailer Training. Their 20-day course cost just under $4,000. The loan program we developed offers a 36-month term at an average interest rate of 9.64%. In 2014, 45 students received this workforce development loan, and our default rates are less than 0.5% with 0 charge-offs. Our partnerships with CDS, thank you. And in 15, that's continued with more loans, so we keep praying. Our partnership with CDS has more than a 91% placement rate, and many students are offered jobs before they complete the course. The average starting salary is $38,000 per year. Due to the success of this program and the demand for truck drivers, in 2014, CDS hired 25 additional instructors and expanded the program to a second community college. The next award funds will go towards expansion of the CDL student loan program. We are also in discussions with one of the largest healthcare employers in the Roanoke region to develop a similar loan program to address the training needs of entry-level and skilled nursing staffs. Our workforce development loan provides very small, relatively low-risk loans with only minimal return to Freedom First. However, for the individual receiving the loan, it is life-changing. And to the community we serve, added prosperity through jobs. Over the coming 3 years, this next award will help change the lives of hundreds of individuals in southwestern Virginia by enabling them to learn job skills for careers and industries struggling to maintain a pipeline of workers. As I look out into the audience this evening, I see potential. There are innovative yet easy solutions to some of society's most difficult challenges, like being able to afford the training necessary to earn a living wage. I encourage you to collaborate with credit unions because many credit unions have experience in working with these populations, and we are also mission-driven. Credit unions are experts in consumer finance and a critical partner in the continuum of care as we all work together to help people prosper and help communities thrive. Thank you.